Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your CapCut projects file in the CapCut PC. So here, for example, I want to share the project file on my current projects here. So what you need to do is you need to click on this modify icon first, modify tags, and this is where my CapCut will be saved. So you need to remember this save path, or you can also see it in here, this one. So after that, you can just go to your file explorer and go to this folder. So I'm going to minimize it. Okay, let's go to this users folder. Okay, let's find the app data, local, CapCut, user data, projects, this one, and this one. So my project file is 1228. So this one's right here. So if you want to share it, you can just right click and let's copy it first. For example, let's just paste it on my desktop to make it easier. Okay, then you can compress it into zip to make it easier for you to share. So right click on the folder and here compress to zip file, and after that you can just share it to your friends, for example, or your colleagues. You can share it through emails, maybe other social media platforms. So you can just right click and click on share in here if you want to share it through email. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.